Katie DeMint. I'm about to make 100 plantable seed cards. This is paper pulp made out of recycled shredded office paper and cotton scrap called linters. The paper was yellow, so I get yellow pulp. Since it's seed cards, I'm adding freshly collected seeds from plants that I've been collecting seeds from all summer long. Pollinator species primarily from seed cards that I've planted all over town. The seeds are climatized to zone 6 and germinate nicely in the handmade paper when used within a year. This is a mold. This is a decal. The duct tape is also a decal. Divides my mold into 2 pieces. Pushing it into the vat. That's a container of paper pulp and water. And lifting it back up to create 2 sheets of paper. Let that one dry a little bit. Do it again. This is a special table made for paper makers. The holes in the stainless steel let the water drain into a giant trough underneath it that drains right here. Anyway, this is a file folder. I'm going to compress it on top of the mold and the pulp to make a nice smooth surface. And it would be called a felt because it's a surface that's going to allow me to transfer my paper from the mold to the felt and then to drying. I'm using a giant piece of cheese to squeeze the water out.
That ain't cheese.
No, this is a piece of foam rubber from a cushion. I haven't bought a sponge in over 20 years because I get roadside furniture. Works great. Gets dirty, I can wash it and dry it, and it's April fresh. Take off my mold, and there are 2 sheets of seed paper. I will compress this mighty stack of papers when I'm through, and to help it dry and hang these file folders up on a rack. And they'll be dry by tomorrow, and then we'll print them. Cut.
Cool.